The 2014 Porsche Panamera Stingray GTR by TopCar. The release of the revised 2014 Porsche Panamera gained the attention of top tuners all over the world. In some cases, new programs are built and developed, in other cases, updated programs follow too. Since it already had an existing program for the Panamera, Russian tuner TopCar opted to take the latter route, giving the luxury sports sedan a revised Stingray GTR package that comes with its own set of new digs. New aero kits were part of the menu, among which includes new front and rear bumpers, a new hood, front and rear wings, doors, and side sills. There's a lot to like about this new program, one of which is TopCar's use of a new technology that it says splices carbon elements with the metal body of the Panamera. In addition to the comprehensive aero list, the revised Stingray GTR also received a new set of engine modifications, the most powerful of which takes the output of the Panamera all the way up to 700 horsepower, though TopCar did not opt to reveal the specifics of its engine upgrades. There's a lot to like about TopCar's Stingray GTR program, a feat it manages to accomplish despite the program, on its own, not being all that new itself. Click past the jump to read more about the 2014 Porsche Panamera Stingray GTR by TopCar. 2014 Porsche Panamera Stingray GTR by TopCar. The new aerodynamic components were created using a combination of carbon and fancy technology. A new set of wheels are also part of the program, which in this case, are a sick batch of ADV ones. The interior can be dressed up depending on a customer's whims and preferences. The rear end looks markedly different from a standard Panamera. This is what the Russians can do to a Porsche Panamera.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.